Mautic Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Mautic is a powerful open-source marketing automation tool designed for businesses and marketers who need customizable, scalable solutions for lead generation, nurturing, and customer engagement. With features like advanced email marketing, multi-channel campaigns, dynamic content, and seamless CRM integration, Mautic stands out for its flexibility. Unlike many proprietary tools, it provides full control over your data, which is a game changer for privacy-focused organizations. During my usage, the intuitive drag-and-drop campaign builder made setting up workflows a breeze, even for complex customer journeys. The platform's real-time tracking capabilities enable personalized experiences by analyzing user interactions across email, social media, and websites. What impressed me most was the extensive integration options, which include third-party tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and WordPress. This makes it ideal for teams that need to maintain a cohesive tech stack. The robust segmentation tools were particularly effective, allowing me to target specific audience groups based on behavior, demographics, or custom parameters. Additionally, Mautic supports A/B testing for optimizing email campaigns and landing pages, leading to measurable improvements in engagement rates. However, Mautic is best suited for users who are comfortable with some level of technical involvement. As it's self-hosted, setup and maintenance require basic server management skills. While the documentation is comprehensive, there is a learning curve, especially for those new to marketing automation. But for businesses willing to invest in customization, the payoff is significant. In terms of pricing, Mautic's open-source model allows you to use the core platform for free, making it a budget-friendly choice. There are also premium plans and services for advanced features or managed hosting. Overall, Mautic delivers incredible value by blending affordability, functionality, and flexibility, making it a strong contender for SMBs, agencies, and enterprises seeking a tailored marketing automation solution.